The Note 9 has not even been released, and the rumors for the Galaxy S10 are flying. Wow! Let's dig into what we know so far.
Whoa. Once again, I am a child. I let go of everything that I.
What is the deal, beautiful people? My name is Ramon. This is Lifestyles Defined. Let's talk about the Galaxy S10. Yeah, I know you guys always ask about rumors, and I always say, no, we don't cover rumors because things could change, and I used to feel like it's a waste of time, but at the end of the day, you guys keep asking, now I have to deliver. So here we are, the Galaxy S10, and this is going to be a doozy for many reasons. For one, it's gonna be the 10th anniversary for the Galaxy phone. So you can sort of liken that to what Apple did with the iPhone X, not 10, the X. And we expect Samsung to sort of cram a lot of features they've been holding back into the Galaxy S10. So what we know so far is there are going to be, and these are all according to the rumors and the leaks, which, by the way, over the years have become gospel. So I think we can form a pretty good picture from these leaks and these rumors. Well, it's going to come in 3 different variants. You're going to get a variant with a 5.8-inch display, flat. It will not be curved. The second variant will be a 5.8 curved display, sort of what we're used to now on the Galaxy S9 and the S8. And then the third model will be the higher end spec model, the Plus, so to speak. And that guy will come in with a 6.2-inch curved display. So that's interesting to see the Galaxy going into Note territory when it comes to the size of the display. And furthermore, the rumors about the 6.2-inch version, which is the flagship, so to speak, that guy will have 3 cameras on the back. Again, I don't like this dual camera, triple camera thing. I think it's getting out of hand. I'm just waiting for someone to throw 6 cameras on the back and call it a day. And one thing that I really like about what Google has done with the Pixel is they've proven that you can do that depth of field blur that everyone's hunting, that portrait mode. You can do it with 1 camera and software. So why put, I don't know. I'm ranting. And the third biggie that we're aware of is the iris scanner is going to go away, and they're going to put some good and proper 3D sensing technology on there, which is what we see on the iPhone. I think the Vivo has figured that out as well. So that's good to see. But it's hard to look at these things and think, oh, you know, Samsung's really stacking up the S10. I feel like everything that we mentioned here is just part of the evolution. It's hard to think, what would you, or I'm asking you, what would you put on a device like the Galaxy S10 that would just knock it out of the ballpark, that would make it something truly special when it's released, and something that'll stand the test of time when you go back 5-6 years and you go, you know what, that Galaxy S10, that was a good one. You know, something like we look at the Note 2. Is it the Note 2 or the Note 3? I think it's the Note 2. People look at the Note 2 and they go, yes, this was the best Note ever, the most perfect phone. It dominated in its time, and it had features that lasted well into 2-3 years later that other flagship phones were now coming into their own. The Note 2 still had that longevity. So what would you put on the Galaxy S10? For me, I don't know. I mean, I think in today's world, it's just about checking all of the boxes, you know, making sure it's waterproof, making sure there's a headphone jack, making sure there's wireless charging, making sure there's dual speakers on the front of it. And these are all things that Samsung already does. And I think these are things that make Samsung super dope. Man, it's hard. I think if I had to give one solid answer for that, I would say give it a radical redesign. Something that we haven't seen yet. Because Samsung is my God, you know, their phones used to be terrible. The king of plastic, we used to make fun of them. And then they showed up with this super real design. And they've been continuing down that road. And you know, we're all kind of used to this, the Galaxy designs now. And I'm taking nothing away from it. They are amazingly designed phones. Maybe let's see Samsung push that to the absolute limit. Maybe the no bezel thing. Maybe the pop-up camera thing that we see on the other Android phones now, where they completely hide the camera behind a mechanism. I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and see. If you're digging this video, here are 2 more video recommendations for you. And in the middle is that big LD button for you to click, subscribe. Make sure you don't miss out on any more content in the future. And as I said, my name is Ramon and I'm out of here. Peace.